friends, today I'll be sharing an important feature of Excel that is widely used in creating forms and questionnaires. It is useful as it makes data entry easier, reduces input errors and typing mistakes, thereby keeping your data consistent and standardized. Let's look at the dataset on the screen. In column A, we have few employee names against which we are required to feed in their designations. We have 4 designations here mentioned on the source list sheet, namely Executive, Senior Executive, Manager and General Manager. Now, we will be creating a drop-down list of these 4 designation slabs in the column B. First, let's start by selecting the cells B2 to B10 where we would like to insert the data validation drop-down list. Now, under the Data tab, click on Data Validation menu item. In the drop box, instead of any value, select List menu item. In the source, you could either type each of the list item separated by a comma, or you could select it from the source sheet. Once the source is mentioned here, click on the Input Message tab. Input message will help people know what data should be entered in the cell. In this case, we can write, select a designation from the given list. Now, let's create an error alert. Error alert is used to block users from entering invalid data in the cell. Here we will write, wrong input. Now let's click OK, and data validation drop-down list has been created for each of the cells that we had selected. We can select our desired option from the list here. Also, in case we wish to try and put in some wrong spelling for executive and hit enter, we'll get an error alert, wrong input. This gives you a standardized way of creating forms and questionnaires. Hope you liked the video. For any queries, feel free to reach me at msexcel.free@gmail.com. Subscribe my channel Excel Freak. See you. Bye-bye.